Set again, my country people, about Queen Rita and Lady Osong. My people, oya make una call listening to Queen Rita. Abeg make una me subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys for my next video.
Now so the woman want come show the you what says happy talk. Unu ne yawe music. Before person go talk, you go dey threaten I want play music for you. Boni me gwalo. Me manaria buwe imo so mwe buto. O manoria bewo asete mu buto. Imaria bewe. Ukwe music o. Umakwe music o imu e go talk. O bo me mosto ba we rume mosto mu na wo we positively. For waiting. Ave wo ma video. Because of say you want make people happy. Me see you say it's your what igbo won we na to me we e. Where you are being in here, una wa opportunity for you to rise. Chai. Today unko wanyo. No. You waited to sing bad song, follow me. Sabana say one down the one. Arre. On dit mais ne tanansi anima se donc que non giwa ni ani na giwa. E da gbe yan ya giwa. Mi video ni ya giwa, mi video ni ya giwa yo. Ni bo mari ni anje because of that confuse elements. Look at your life. I want to mulita buto. I want to do this one. They begin to say, "Na you marry Kokobiri." I'm acting. You don't see Kokobiri where they do for 1 night before. Don't be working for the con just na enter years. If you get anywhere where they go, take wife and the children, if they go. Back here. Okay, you can't say first wife you. A second wife you have do aya kon here. Bawa. E can't no masi mon bae. Oh ma ve have gouven aye. At the end of the day, then do. How markets? Small money just dey down one body. Or here one like big, and then I show no. I know what they do. How I don't know the one way they again. It's just here. The German we call her character Dushananda. They do that. She don't really know where she is. You know, people will get amnesia. You understand? I saw it. I said, God. Si tu veux, voyez le ton ego. Agbagba wa bi rabiri. Ou jobo jebu. Et nous sommes pas vraiment vivre. Et social media no come when why am ya before. Even the about where they drag them now. No be small thing do for do ye na wa mo bog gbe yan. E mangele wa ya pe bojian we e fa yan la wa gbe. E ma ya ni we se no wa gbe ya fe wa ga gbe ya fe ni yes wa wa yan. Oni so wa ye izolo la dia. Because these are the people no mu dia yan ye ke who were on social media where no let a secret in ave. You wanted to take people money and not do visa for them? Why? When they suffer what Africa say. Even when we web. When we are who you go to use until the flesh. If fresh yourself, you go to use until the bourgeois. You go even talk say, I had the I only have the part where my place met a vary. Oh, maybe I will like the webuko. If you want me, I call your party, you go bring the best mate. Say, we are here, baby. Hey, salute, boy. I don't know as they look how people learn all this. Yes, now. Then they use people money build hotel, live fake life for outside. They talk say I be yoga. I find not be your mate too. I think on that Germany where you did there. Ovie can't hear in a day on here. You say that Ovie can't hear it. You say the women will don't respect her for this abroad. No, I have for one. Lily don't really care. All those ones. I don't know why I saw abroad women like be big name. Majorly people, why would not like be big name when musicians they play? No, not vessel, no be all of una the ass. The one where you like her for his side. Why would not like name the ones musicians are always shouting? That one alone will tell you that there is nothing there. That one is a sign to say that man is empty. Correct men, no they agree me, they use their name t-shirt for street. If they even give musician money, you say, my brother, I love your music, I just give you la. I am a good family, you know, I just want to make it in silent. Those are real men. Now them like money read their pocket. Now then they really they do their things. You see all those ones who will give you money, you write to me, you say me use and chat. Shishi ma gome. Erere literacy omo engba. E locality oye gbawu. That's the truth of the matter. And a lot of women like it. Now those kind of men they want to go born for. Later when they will come open up, they will tell you say now they carry the man they go. Una not hear one of recent for this social media. Where you go born one for one man when they say he get money, get Britain press. At the end of the day, I share you come the talk story how he be saying that they carry the man they go. He be go there because of big name. At the end of the day, uncle. Now the man come to use until they swallow a bear. Now the man come to use until they swallow a bear. Are those what you really want for yourself? You know, you make a load of Canada or apply for. They like the big name. If they just they hear the musicians, they speak that name. Ekialaga of Canada. Ekialaga of Canada. Ibyekwe suru of Torino. Ibyekwe Laga of Napoli. Oviekia of Benin City. Oviekia of Torino. I didn't hear what their brain will just be run to Koyoni, don't be smart things. Their brain will they do like this. Their mind will they tell them say something did. Then your mind I get betting. Your mind a so. You know, but everywhere so go sing. This thing where you see so not today inside the same to me. I take out for you. It's so people of the whole world. They don't know. But thank God, women are not getting sense. They are not, you know, women don't they get sense. Those days, no sense, no brain. Thank God for social media. We can't they wake some of them up. No level. I think I'm musician yet to be they really take your time. You know, they discuss like before you give you come back with flying cups. I came back to home and telling people my intermediate exam, I passed it nicely. Not be a day to discuss it. Yeah, go say, Ekia Laga of Napoli, Ekia of Benin City, Ekia Twin of the old world. Chechege, oh well, Chechege daddy. Chechege daddy, very fast. You get it. One more, but 3-1 like this. Sha. I'm not against it. If it's your hard-earned money, why not? If not the one you steal from people. A lot of people are making a lot of things. Those are the people who have the right to spend money like that because they suffer for it. Yes. You know, fear. O sabwa de bayan afile. O manari ye ni go na ko be bless e bomalele. Woman they pay for hotel, me boyfriend did to vaga his wife. Una see desperation of big name. Juju no dey. Now na they say Juju dey. Juju no dey. Desperation. Ekia laga of Torino. If you kwetwaga of the whole world. Forget Juju. Juju no dey. He and fall in love. Because the way they hear the name everywhere, if they just put that music, they hear the man that here. Ekia laga of Torino. If you laga of the whole world. They do their ear to they'll say, wow. They use my husband name till they sink. Your husband will not have if you your husband will not get level. Husband will they look for name they go. The time we go take care of your time. When they name on we really local husband. Hey, so I buy your so I buy locality with I dislike locality with serious passion. If they look the locality will be like people they look them. Don't be every time we take the talking for you. It's a shame. When they use that locality, till they see no people where they be and they say, I get money. I got before you know it, be an aqua. You get a way not be lucky, I don't know where they go for Lagos. They can't go right and B. They can't celebrate, say they build that. Yes, a fake life in a level, fake life, get level low. When people are looking for attention, the kind of things they do just for attention. Fake life, get level. You pick a talent and they way. They learn. And all those characters were very local old characters. Local, like when we local, those are local old characters of those days. I watched Lamokwa Baby Mama video finish. And I don't thank God for the head where I carry come. I don't know. Abi, even me. And I don't thank God that I say God. I don't know this kind of me. And you know that from one mistake to another, 9 days they go. They don't learn. Don't just go there. One mistake to another. You have to be why you know. You why you know they have be a woman. You have they have be a woman. Agama. We have work based some people. Big name inside poverty. Big name inside poverty. They'll be telling you things that you cannot relate. When you are talking reality, you will connect it. Reality is easily connected. You take this and you take this, you connect it together, you see the reality inside. But when these people are talking, the reality is not there. You'll be wanting to say, okay, where do you work? What is your job? How much do you pay to government as tax? You are feeding people. So, who asked you to be feeding people like that? With people's money. What kind of philanthropist are you? Baseless philanthropist? A philanthropist without no genuine source of income? What is the source of your philanthropism that you are doing? A philanthropist that does not have the time to settle and say, this is, I'm doing my job, now running around the whole world. Today is here, tomorrow is there, tomorrow is there, the other day is there, the other day is there. Now, people's money. And the worst part of it, all, before they were taught to use money, they use that people money till they insult you to say, I get money past you. People's money. When I go sell property, when I don't use people money to acquire, give them their money back. Why are you satai? How you do, my love? Go and pay. Are you satai? Go and pay your money back. The one will be just happy put no remote, the old word the why you G fraudster. Even one move to Tasabana Jagbada Yasu, one am your way, could return go back. Just imagine. Because when you had time, Saloba, he and Bawa with the old word. Agbado Gina no Wamujo, when Wahia Joyce SS. Ugato in error make be for no reason. All where. Alaga na go be o even yes you are yes you are this way. I do more you will come because they no tired they are do more you will come yes you before you go happen for physical. Now so for no reason whatsoever. If to say that people when you will even go look for a trouble. As this woman the feel make be and they look at ça look ba vie wo na e sete we baba. E so ma be gbon ma be ni ana. C'était ouais. Non mo se va, on mo se ve nene. Non mo se va, on mo se ve quoi. Ah la on kokobiri. Non mo se va, on mo fo ve quoi. Eh, just me no viede. Baba. Ya ye nene me gwalo me. Ya mamu so mo no ne ya ewe. I don't know what be their problem. These people, they really think they can be able to. I don't know, you will not know what they are. I told you people that time. I said, if you now see this woman very well, or maybe not loho. You get what the warrior. And that time she don't deal with the heat of this debt for inside house. You see my darling. A big kind of again. Yeah, I just search my video. I want monetize her. May I get my money? If you just hear person we want to do saga, we want to make money for page. Wait till I just stop them for my saga that and a copyright. A page and in a munda in a copyright. Need do me. This is a do cyberspace. Not be tell you. You say waiting. Somebody like me, I know the social media because of say social media money, social media money. Social media, or less we get social media, we get Facebook that we are yes way. If not, a copyright I have vaga wa obiyeke. You go hear me. No body will tell you. Don't see blogger they carry my picture anyhow the way that they carry other people. Et Facebook uni oh here na my de. Even fake account we do one before. All those they will say na short bloggers them be. E mi na mam if voice me e copyright le voice me here. Ama e we face me. Ou wa moins la Facebook ou any ya. O tono gbebi o here. I no way Facebook tereva. Me I not care about my own. No. Because you see now, it's not the social media, whether money they they affect me. I'm already an okay woman. When me say you want to use that social media to make money, I try maybe baby. Or copyright I blast you, I'll blast you your phone. He just carrying the music when me and my husband take dance. This one of his songs where we dance follow like that. He just carry and go put for a page. I can't leave on me very 100,000 views. You can't get to river. You can't they happy people they happy on top. Menirita. It gets some kind of presenter where they know they touch their video on this case. You don't know. You was thinking to say maybe the other people will fight with you now only them. I try it at the man is or what ton the copyright. A back banner or tongue be. A voice me we analyze every page where ni. Namugo namukaka. I would be me. Kaba page no mami hu agmono. My voice enter your Facebook anyya. Or let's say na me just give you the right say no problem. Say no be that one. Bury ya. I hear take Facebook in the bury ya ground. Listen very well, even though say you be musician. Even though say you be musician, if you get brain, now you go tell no say this kind of people no be people with the fight anyya. Try, I'm a wreck you way. May you see what it go happen. You go insult and threaten the people. I'm telling you. I want to give you another kind of opportunity. Try it. Or when you create a 30 page. A 30 page, you never hear all here. You never know anything. Now you go to Facebook, they shout to outside. Me la tiens de better what do with you. Eh Joko. You what do with you. Even no balo way. Because that's how they deal with these people. They are very hopeless. If Facebook will not life, if to say the market really they do for them like that, anybody no worry to tanya ya see ya movie to tanya we and do ya go. Wa damn tell you will regret it. You will regret it. Me ati waru wa 3 days I settle you on. He called the happy say he don't see video carry. The video got the day 3,000. Video me where he go no where the page where it to. Have a player. Play people. When they come see baba. Na so sagati don't let la wa. Say EJ. Na so what this one be? EJ. When you would try. You will say na so I dance to that your song. You can't carry the video. Go put for your page. Even to they follow me do saga for that your page or to they follow me talk, you will tell the story. Mama wake baby no one. Mama wake baby no one. I face life you. Wow, fa. My na teoria mommy. Mama na me mommy kwa. Now na the something. Me balance is most of una. Not people they carry people money to the kaka. No, I bet shifty. The things where I don't achieve for my life, people money no do. I don't thief anybody money. And government no dey. You will just shop government money. Like that one now, okay foodie. Okay baby boy no riba. No what do riba momo. That one where government they pay us strength for because of handicap. You go come say one because of me. Hey, hear this me. I bet shifty. They call yourself champion. Just the play. Aku for never what? Yes, now. If not, now so all of them they for come on you to food though. As you day your ass, even as I day my own day my school, they go not be or working food dinner or your baby food. Not be you can't carry me for a tutor. O te wa be do so aya me yare ye lai. Mo e government no fi about the coin you wa gbe ya. Abi mo e Germany no ma gi wa mi agbonre. We be say what do damage with total. Go look at his life. Una not see wetin one woman tell am. I post video. We don't want to drag am. Tell am the life history. Say, oh, we are moving hook up. You just say I dey do hook up and I want to be sanfio. Now so they follow my nyanch they go right from time. You want to muyoto na muyoto. Have it be no worry me be say the men come. Now women they come from what your brother who we go no worry me. Akwale na ya bi oka won bi. We worry me mere wana me na yen wodo. I to gwalo go here. Me you just marry me I get money. You don't see my tattoo for social media yesterday when I open her. I get money you. You don't see money where they show. Or when I do a kid single mother, the one with government they pay come they show. That one just from Facebook saying I say, okay now. You are more river. Ah, you don't know. See, I'm maybe enemy. I'm more dele. A baby boy ne foodie. You don't carry much to face. I'm more. Oga le ya yiro de gbe we yiro. No ho no ya we yiro. Iwe na so abele luto. E kun mapolo. O we mapolo mana. O wetin ma wetin yen ama we yen ama. O we yen wo wa be for no reason. O mu na win na the other way. Hey, bura me am do cyber space. No be smart you. If me dey get body my nose go dey small. E so I wa won ehu yen ga be rararara. La wo ma mu go do wa ge ha me o. Wa ge ha me o. Wa ge si pate yo me gbe wa mu no kwa go do. E mu da me ye. No carry big nose face me. La wo igwa le gbe ni we mu da do. Go and take face carry it to people who are ready to see big nose. Yamu diamond ipaka o ipaka mu. O ipaka wa mu ipaka da me I have children to take care of. Hell. Na so I carry on. Before una know what it happen my galley people come go carry baby boy. When say me baby boy come they say it be one fuck me. I when access we ban egbo wo me kia. Abu one tell me fuck it that one. We gbe me ni rodo je na ni kia ye bo arun ison ye bobo. Yeah, ti do total no do at e be one. They really talk and say egbe di me I was lucky way. Be careful, ya we fa ala we gbe ka ekia we ala we na gele ba la o. E joke wa ri pe van me. Ekia we aro ya do hang ye le different live video. Ibie kalma. Anyway, let me leave there. Not be joke. Jokey. I just need to bless that word into your life. Why do you tag me now? Larry. A shame and disgrace in the level no me kuni kebelele hian te we na le jo ho. Aya do ewu. Won na ti igbina. Next time wa mi igbina who you went to decrease. Go carry baby boy we be say you know even choso baby food do man no ye baby food na mu he yiro iriri. O my ka. You just pass the word we woman amu he wa sin do werere. Me looking at that man, I'm here, you lock big your my car. You say me, you can't follow me fight. You. Oh my God. When we cook you, my darling. I'm here, my car. Have a boss in a movie. Ebo na yang zeleli megbina le megbina yana mu kiare mana do be ki onu yeto ye hiri mami kia e bola dio yi ona yetu yana do hange yi ma yi you na the shoes na fight partner well I don't they look for trouble na my own idea don't come and be looking for my trouble maybe you take the no to say they will come they use fake account tell me say but you say you know they do saga again what you total I am la euro. See that me they use me feed baby boy because I tell you say I know they do saga again. Because if you like just you were fan. So for that reason, you feel they use me to they feed baby boy when I do on my own. Really. I am a feed the baby boy. Not Jesus. I been saga ne be of my one no fan na you walk back rush. This is now going with that visual and the saga. Oh, the queen are born. I will be me no so bomber. On your saga, who tell the story for life. Go see Anna. You are not repeating what you saw. But I'm not really all of them are not dragging him online. And now if you baby, well, you be one make come be like a rodo. How's the market? My husband not do anything. As he just say come and as he just use jealousy because they fight us. They call my husband different name. They tie bon oviere. Omara omado woji. Oma enwede. Oma se kenuje. Saloboa. For what? If you ask an answer, for which reason? No reason, just because of topic. Emi ya dry, mami mi de yoto. You want me and you maybe say that fight partner will be ma we offend me ye 1 year ya lena le run dana ha ma we saloba mo a o da ki no we gbe me a we saloba re ya we a o da ko ma bodo mo a o da mi no we gbe no mo a o da ma gbon e go me ni mama na you know you bossing no mana at the end of the day unko you say see your neck food my darling, that's why I get this my folded neck right from time. I get food in neck, I don't know why. No, I go slim rich. This thing no they come out. It's just there like natural sheen. No, they ever come from my body. I market. Look at all of them. Now so that one your sister to the log. But with that time Facebook, they gather small money for Facebook where they do topic. On what rule, on what gather yeah, want to be like Rita. Fast. Now you pay black price in the foodie that cannot return. Make sure he return. That woman was truthful. She said the truth. If you want to know how loyal they are to you, wait, let him start working and chasing your bills. As some marriage certificate too. If you know what the home no maybe we can Nigeria the way marriage no we repeat every walking talking. It be like say everything go. He pack am for my mouth as I tell the talk on a mujun. Ije. All this if you friend where they follow person for nyash now what for them? As I tell the talk, I record that for my mouth like walkie talking, keep on for it. Maybe you already don't have to repeat it, mommy. One maybe I can't talk about marriage, my way. I reject you in Jesus' name. I'm telling you. You can't repeat again. Me submit a marriage certificate. Waiting John here for my mouth, wicked Dory. I just look and say, no, I see you. What is this one here for my mouth where I go do marriage? Why we run with the same thing at that? Baba. Now, wow. You people should learn how to be yourself, some of you. The original version of you being yourself is the best thing that is for you. Your own life. Not to try to screenshot another person's life. After screenshotting it, you want to live in and off that person. Why? Can you imagine? If you come there, they say, go and build yourself. Say, what do you want me to build for my life? Go and build yourself. And why are the why you don't want this way? You want to drag person name? Did you dragging did this stop me not to pass my mid-day exam? For 2 years assessment, I passed it with flying color today. Una talking no hold me. No be you now want to talk whether you believe or not. Egbaya in my area. You don't get what you do. People are just wasting your time. If you know what is good for you, go and concentrate and do your life. What will give you internal joy? Go and face it. Come and be say, na so here let am go ga be yasa wa se ba dere. Here come go ga be yasa yes ko wa dey dere. Go do your own. Just sit down for inside class. Go and face exam. Don't be say here come go ga be dere. Here come go here be yasa ba dere. Jealousy or yawa wa na una te spoil we na confront. We be said the only thing with the know na for now na jealousy, bitter souls. Igbovu. Wa mi wana oma veke no waji. That thing would irritate una. That una dirty way una not una brain not carry anything. Now una want put for street made you what the year. Qualifying you to say this one is a Benin woman. It's a shame to Benin people who bonu wakere where you nini ye amubo to chop and to talk and for us so we obo hina like. Why mo get doni? Why mo get doni? Why do yasin? Now say that I don't want use anti. Now I want use anti spoil. It is swear. God not the sleep, man, darling people. If you're a nice person, your heart is good, God will always be faithful to you. Don't get what a human being won't do. I'm a living witness of fighting a person with jealousy on this space. But they couldn't stop me, they couldn't do anything, and they will never stop me. None of them. None of them. The worst they will do, they will concentrate on themselves and start to concentrate on their life. They will get a very good result out of their life. If they concentrate on me, you are not ready to be you. Or do yourself. Because me, go they use you do 10 things. Why go they do the written? I will use you play 10 things on top. You jump out. When I started school at the beginning, that rat also jump out. Now, Leo, he goes on the talk like. He later he said, no, later he said that's why they find my school. They go, come and know what. Wow. In winner, me go just define your school. They go. Hey, I don't understand what you want make me even like. I don't get it. He said that's why they find my school. They go. Now so you can't get and just imagine. At the end of the day, you can't go carry my school come out. That was really my school. It is say I go fear. I post them again for outside, make people see them. So what were you able to do? I know they take coke every time, oh. But sometimes you know the way you go just the hungry person. I don't take her every time. Do you know that coke can be very addictive? Coke can be very addictive also. Some people, they know they feel sleep if they don't drink coke. Some people are addictive to coke. They like it very well. I've known people that are very addictive to coke. So, my darling people, let me quickly talk about Precious Milk party. So, again, we say I'm on free send me and Precious Milk. I can't, Precious Milk, lazy Precious Milk, come right and come and say, now, so this I give chance something, whatever, for birthday. This girl just carry. I don't want to be him when I or working foodie. You just sit on to a walk. For you, you can't, you know, concern. You just carry. I said, this one. Person we see and we tell me, say, only somewhere in Wale here, you go your hana. Oh, wow, we are only in one moment go to no was one live life. You man come account. What the gualo is so bold, you know. He cannot back again, ye. To move on, you know, if you move on. Ah! You pass everywhere, you want to stock for inside my body, you don't have the quality. Why you go along here? What can they come with? Face your life and people like you. Hey. Now you go carry coin, you say you want carry husband coin, you just the carry and the coin begin the lie. He go school. You have any ever young live over. You have your live any. If any kawale, a saga no kali, no cow, neither one can see join and the same food, neither one can the shop. No difference. No difference. We are not either. Then irritates me past anything. So food. You know go ever see a demand. As the man sit since now me sit down with $1 million. You hear that this man is a learned person. The man is a person who have experience. What in a year for a man? No won't be that we have a anymore since I have a year. No change, nothing, no difference. Those kind of people can never beat me. That's what some of you don't know. Even if you are 20, you have such characters. You can't handle me. For you to handle me, be a person who know what they are doing in life. Make sure you know who you are. You know yourself. Carry quality, come. Don't go and bring noise to my territory. You think noise can get to me? Noise makers. Am I me we literate back? Forget your matter. All who you are easy say and deal with. When I crush you wherever tell you. If I finish you, you'll be ashamed of yourself. You'll be ashamed of yourself. Just go and carry quality, better thing and sign bo. You want to analyze me, I want to analyze you. Go be person where I go feel whole video. Let us talk. Get me analyze them and listen. Better thing. Not be ye thing. We not can't be have nonsense. I will only just come and shame you on top of those nonsense. And go. Nothing else. Not get what you want to do me. The boy you know with me. Oh, you the crazy, the mad, your husband could be rubbish. What are you going to say? Carry better thing come, we go enter here. The world is developing. Go and bring such things. Come and be saying it. To say that rubbish, nonsense, things that will not hold water. Please get inside and go and work on yourself. If you not do feel now, say person they intimidate you now. Why am I nonsense? Let's treat every 2 minutes. Come they feed the street with rubbish and blaga blaga. You wait for many years now. So food saga. Go carry husband come now. So food saga. No difference. No change. Nothing meaningful. Now you they run follow people husband those days are when we are gagi. Good evening, Elise Osas, my darling. Emata Robo. You are EJ, what at all? Good evening, my darling. I remember people wait there here where I not see you in a message since. God bless you for me, Mama Emata. Just imagine now. You just say now something different. The first day where the man just say, you want me to sleep with her. He say, woman, make me sleep with her. See, he say, no, they use the woman, even they come again. You know what you know then now. Egi yo nire. Where you yare you kokobiri. Osabala wo when you ya name na ya meri. Just me no be de oba no meton. Gbegbe me. Baba ni baba. You gwe we ya gwe me ya name na ya boy emu iho. E fudi. O bia ne seti jugbojo go ve de agbe amwele aye oto. Ege seti ya meri baba ni baba. Gispe mi gbo kun yo egbe maladia mi gbo kan gispe mi e ga wuya suwe. We ni Jesu no gie. Ge ki a hion le bi ele. Ge ki o hin ni tun ne gigi yan lo wa ni. E ki ani baba no te don ye ki no ko ni je ge igure ge don ye ya ge gi tun pe mu ge wu gina. Si so wu gina ne ve ore ki no ko ni jo wu yen ga de gi me ni rita ki yen na to pe mu we ni ana. Baba ni baba gbe ki ani wa. Wa ami me gbe ki an yo kan kiri. He say na so they use me till they come, you know, even when they use the woman. When I want marry, you know they. You were they married yesterday. When my husband say since how many years we do even in my time. But now you were they married yesterday, me my darling, you need to work on yourself. That man pass a message to you. You say I laugh when I hear that statement. Now message you pass to Rashi, no. Just imagine. You say, hey, how are you married? How are you married? Oh, no, where you know de? And we will hold any day go well. Oh, come Jesus! Oh my God! No, you don't say truth, eh? In the midst of calamity, that's where you hear truth. That's why you see people sometimes they want to confuse you and cause calamity for your body, so that you'll be blowing the truth. See IVD and Blessing. When did they know themselves? IVD is a very big guy where everybody knows. Say IVD car. He get businesses where they do money. They run through his name. He still went to go and enroll himself in Unilag. You know, see him. As a matter of fact, blessing when they follow and they go. They want to upgrade themselves again to another level. When those who are talking in public, you want to hug them. People want to listen. You hear this me. You can sit down. You can say the one be are know the next thing. I want to say Sagana away na. Ashawo. Oh, you beg you. You like me. We beg you. You like we because your mind is telling you so much so we. It's an intimidation to a woman when the husband they always say, "What like you?" The woman go say, "What like you na? Oh, what like you na? Where you winner?" Men talk job. Men a job that they talk. They know they talk a way. If you can't see my way, they say, "Me what like you way?" Oh, one am we bill over here. Have you have social media na? Na me why so ni wa ho a bill over here wa mule le gbe here. Why ya we where that way live video? Why you where re? O salo bwana ya wa dagmu wa. Na me why so why is wozu? Why ya you where re wo? This one just the corner. He say na so they use me to the con. A baby boy no do you know how I hate lazy men? And why? He break that guy and he build him. He break and he build that. Go and roll and you know see university administration slip, admission slip, everything we bring and come out today. He just come and because he just hear education for my maternal what to talk, he say the man go school. Hey! Et bien, t'es ma tour, et vaguement. Ici, associé en so, il goes, qu'on a one more bad down on quoi. Eh, who never hear or room, wait that one never go close to for you. Like, first way they come for which or roti. The Italian one more bad that way. Pia! Ici, associé en so, il goes. Now, content, il look for that guy for. Me two of the Ghana, they do content. Agboma giyan reyan Evanas we Sagana. They want be like easy obedi for content also. They do content like easy and all those things. Agboma giyan reyan agbon tota kiyan. Agbon tota nyaya ungi no to. Na made the two of the night carry enter Saga nothing to do with it. Ona mu la Saga no do ami. Eri yen fi boy ihwero e. Eri yen fi weyo. Eri kin pa gbe yen beg ihwere shame. If you see the way I be they look and say na better person, we don't the open mouth before I come to say e. Agbite na mare ya muria. Salo bole baba. I dey quit they believe something. I say just use my talk, I just believe. Me what is judge? You know what gwale no hero do here on the street. Not because I dey talk am that. Because of what she talk. When that one comes, so Saloba will say, wait, push her cover, I can't let her, can't start this useless. I just start and say, and I easy be like, be and I easy save don't. We are be don't yet or wait till they get to talk. We are be don't we be a fully be every day. Because their shame will just irradiate. Chop provoke them, make they come out, come shout. Yeah. See. You know what she did do? She wants to be using me as a topic. Go they will love me. And if me they do my own, they go they will love me till they do topic. He not like her, me that they give her that same thing. She not like her, she look at her, say, go say, you say you too big, you too do Saga. You say you too. And no, when we big, no when it lamu. More big. You go me have a law. When I will ho. If to say na my big day, I carry a dash you. You are settled way. When ma settled way, yes, you went inside the Agbadarish. Or Guejoa. Where me on no move as a rejo, there we are, dinoma. Oh, Jack Benoff, any day na do they call her? Me too. You say me too, be the looking like mature boy. When the guy open matter, John Fence, Sabi? Now me John Fence pass. The guy woman way they UK way carry a video call for me, way they talk. The woman laugh. Me I for that I say, I feel very here. Why get like Bayan? EJ. Me too, I surprised when he started to talk. Abi, I shock. You found you wish better person won't be with that mad girl before. I am telling you. Me, I be shocked. I say, Abi, boy, I'm going. Why we go school? We know what they do for her, bro. The way no why I'm about that joy, go come carry this one like. I was still skeptical. I said, I'm very skeptical about it. I said, okay, time will tell. We will know. And at first, I was like, If to say it really be. EG, I don't know, say the best of the same head that find yourself. I don't know, say the best of the same head that find yourself, go marry. I don't want more, but I don't want more project benefit any day. I don't want more joy. Now, wow, you can't forget, say, saga na be your food. Since when I talk to you for this social media, you don't ever see my husband because down there, you could do my back. If me they talk another thing, you feel see my husband. Me, I got go back one, and me really am. Carende. Oje gbe no fu any day. Oje gbe no fu any day. Now you just carry. That's what they want to be doing to me. They want to be bulalaring me. Then me go there. I'll say, no, I'm a big. I'll the phone bigger. Me munu one and I women bigger. Big it for me. Carry join the one where you forget. If you forget, carry join your own so that me and you where I form me the bigger. This is when you come anywhere, anything we are doing in the entire night. Since that one don't see entire you and I'm a January. Louis say, oh, Project Benoit, no for any day where you want carry. Use and where. You hear this me. He looks mature. I was thinking he's going to help her build herself. As he open my shop. That one I food the con shop. I only what do it. You know what I do what we or it was a this new law we enter now. He said na food the con it's not yes, Abby. This new law we enter, so you come to enter their body, they don't give them the food again. The time we're supposed to go and work. Now that time as that woman talk and I they know many of them we really ready can't really take care of wife. Come and be working. I waiting drive this boy. Now be that one I have to tell now so. Osifo. If you not Osifo for a big maybe. Now be that. Now waiting drive Osifo come on for me bed body. That same thing I drive Osifo. Social media was no longer the way it was. Money come they go down. Running out of content. Then maybe I come they talk about job. May go work. Then the guy come they sit down they think about how he could take go away. He come they sit down they think about how he could take run away. Because now he can't look people where they go and say, now meanwhile you come they work, give all this one. Her husband's tongue is not rising when he is talking. How you want to rise? Ununa la lohele litali ya fe bemaya agbabubo. We only okbu eni ya ewodo. Abu we ni ritali oye we gile. We okedo bi evane wodo ma enu amu we no mi no won. You don't know how many total water we leak and drink for that side. They play. But before we don't leave children. I ain't want to do kati. You really every kind of people. My darling people, we don't leak Okporoko for how many? I don't know how many we don't. It don't leak Okporoko past you. Italy, any a champion would do. We don't need bien vaguement. A champion shishi now those one be. Eta we are wavu you turn here would do you wife we keki go you already son. So what? Just to prove a point, so maybe the woman if you work money they give her. Tiens, les sangs, ils s'en ont nié, vous donnez à la louve, vous n'ont que des, vous donnez à l'yaka. Et il a l'auto, il y a les ribaches, vous ne vous donnez. Ok, c'est bon. Ah oui, c'est bon. When you're rich, you have to say, he go school, as we see, so he just go school. When I'm not going to for any day. C'est, non, voilà, dis. Marita I say, move the look. Ne. Yeah, quite or you're going to finish this one. Wait, be say, just give her a qualification. I see a woo. When you are not seeing the something, you will just look at. The way your mind tell you, now so it be most of the things your spirits are telling you. He said the man talk like a baby that is learning how to talk. Oh, yeah, but of any day, no. Kurita, you say if you see small carrots, you go beat them. Okay, say if you see small carrots, 2 of them will fight for outside. Now, when you from away, they one more video, one more you talk. Why, only no business in Nigeria, can do be hane. A Benadi, what we have, a Benadi, a Benjamin, no less say you want him. Oh, you have a me, salon bois. Babala, me ever find Baba no Rue. That make me they use the make joke. Because no other thing I want you to do. I want use the to make joke. And ask go sleep. Because if I look there, a joke qui kaya. No be send it on avec bed do bien be you buy. No, before you come a bon trip for a Benjamin or less say no be so that one. A good baby ni ari no never de so ya ma ye. Ya konsi e hero. We be say ire ya na ya kombo lo ya na ya ruli buto. Ya suju mi diabo mi make ni salu bala wo. I say I come dey pray one day outside the church say delete me very that one me. You see all these people because I don't know. See ana. E deni ya wo be ki atun ire e fudi. Oluku. The time we here ni agba wo pa. You know say na the say to they do. If we mama get kisha, my darling people. When you know say that one, na inside that acid, na if they leak that to two-way blood, they leak and leak blood, they chop everything. What you wanted that time, boy? Just look at 2 of them. We want the fair to one record now. Walk by your car, anya way when anya the social media no fin la. Same tribe, same thing, saga people. Honestly, when why am I to make me talk that it's to pay me mentally. Me una make sure say una record there. And then he ask when been about this way. Wala wo go Italy no man. If to say na Italy o na Germany get me o jack pack agbina ni wa. Ya mu gboto ya na ya kun rio unuwa rio o ya na se me yo egbe o bi ari mu epo ori social media money no dey again. This one before you go this one say na se be the time we that one gather money we go take pay a groom price. It say na so it be they play. As I sit down for years, so Lord we go meet una next year for inside down na Duro Campo na the call house. I don't already know. See, I can never forget that fact. As I sit down here, Lord, we go meet una. I don't already know. Mates don't make them. It's just that una know they listen to news. Una don't know. Or worry, a brother you return. Or prefer no you copy ya beg you. Oh yes. You yourself, you go work. You give our children and the change children. Ekinoma dole le baby mama okay. No na le fois. Quand they shop a baby food. You go reach your tongue. Again, you can let you wait little. You let you wait little. It da no more. Ik ben af ya lere ne o. Ida no mo. Omodo no mo lokun ru mi Omodo no mo lokun ru mi gbe. Awa that you, honey. Honey ya te we ye me na on we dere ya te we ma wa gbe. E wa kazima honey. Have me tell me no sake. Agbera one a long time. Come and tell us what is happening abroad. We're not the kicking wake yegbu well like Billy Biari come with us abroad. You want to tell us in us abroad today. It ya play. Don't tell me man that momo ma here that be man. I beg you baby tata. It wa momo buy. Come and tell us. Ko wo fin you say abroad na. Come and tell us. Honey, oh. You tell we ma wale, honey. You tell we ma here amigo ya riba. The Bible we man shall not live by bread alone. That's what the Bible says. Go and check your Bible, the word of God. It says man shall not live by bread alone. So if you are not living only by food, it didn't mean bread, the normal bread that you are seeing. It's talking about the spiritual bread. It's talking about the totality of a man. It must not end and stop on eating alone. Even there is a place inside the Bible where gluttonism was caused. Go and read it. Just type it on your Google to say, where in the Bible can I locate glutton or gluttonism? Your Google will take you to gluttonism verse in the Bible. You go and read about being a glutton. What Bible said about a person being a glutton is a cost. When a man is a glutton, his own entire household will be cost. A man who lives only on a plate of beans. Oh, I'm going to talk. I don't have money. Or you have to know the young. Why are you one and I give you? I'm going to go as a go. I go while you son of some. I say, I'm winner. Your man just say you say by bass and the derro do you see on that shine. My go say wake body. We are going to shine. Wow, no man, my dollar be a yig be no shine be. Get the dollar ways, ya beg a shine the good way. Not be say, according to you, I beg a shine the bin be our way we are ladian. If we well, we are the top in a over no set it home, I will know there. Your nose go be like over here with one bad person for near road. I don't know where you video. Hello. Hello. Your face. Your body. Your leg. No, there one like marriage in who ye ya who work baby town from head to toe. Why vow we are yak be woo wawa. The man the smell on top you the smell on top. Why go yak big boo? Ah, damn what? Sally, I hear more people make I leave now. Say I don't appear, I don't celebrate, my darling people. I passed my midterm exam. Only one matter at the moment. It's almost to 10, my darling people. Let me say not be weekend, but weekend they come. We will enjoy. May I go enjoy with my husband. This weekend, now, Lady Precious make party, my darling people. His son is celebrating. It's going to be a very big day for everyone. I hope you guys will be attending that party. I hope so now come join and celebrate. She really tried as a single mom to organize that kind of party. But we are ego ni mama no be no gwinyere na it is celebrating yon pikin so. E so no wa mu ye foodie born a foodie ai so no me kiawo. You find rich Lady Precious me. Ogu papa ma sebe kwa wen egbuwe ya ma sebe kwa wen pa. Ama iwe. Na so if for carry all this money go kadara and go give food say foodie la re go to ta go me an le no je fukan. Agbe yan titiri ye ba. Yan vun e ba. I mean na yawo. That they even they beg, they are looking for. The full camp. A shovel a yazoe. All those kind of lazy foodie. Eh joke. Ni avou iba. No don't win a dolu we jahana. No we have dollar di eba na yakin yaba. Agbe atitiri yeba. Na to just go lose the titi kole one. And they talk. If food even that time self, Lady Precious men they cook. Come with I see by imoto omu ginyani ya ebu wake up. Ma mo pa or imodo mu you wado or waki restaurant you want. My daddy, my husband. He says the remnant her husband is enjoying now. I'm telling you, the remnant all of them don't do finish for social media. They hear this me. No, mind they follow a mate or what any agba walk back. Now they say they follow the fight. What's he walking? For this ebony manger, now you want to beat me way. On your name now, na say una matter no dey. Na shame people with the shame on. Everybody just they say, hey, so this one don't enter saga. Hey, this one don't enter saga. Hey. If I speak Greek, you will think, this one. Na Benin woman be this. You think I'm a Greek woman. I was speaking correct Greek. German is one of the most difficult language in the world. I know a lot of language. At the Italo, at the year when people they speak, but I don't believe when it comes to even writing and using it to go to school, they're very more difficult like German. Don't play with German. German language is a bastard. Since when I did travel for my life, when I did, it's short. Greek is even the one I was thinking. See that on top, you was in Greece before. You know about Greek very well. You know about Greek. The time when I did come Germany, I was even thinking, they are German. You know, when I was doing some orientation in German language and stuff before I left Greece. I was thinking German, Greek is going to be more. I say person with is pre-Greek. But later, you know, say when you hear that word now say Greek, your mind will tell you say, now what kind of language we would they very believe you me. If you stay Greece for 1 year, you don't speak correct Greek. There is a possibility for you to stay in Germany for 30 years and not even speak German. And there is a very big possibility for you to also be speaking the German. But when it comes to using German to study, you will know that the Germans you have been speaking all these years in the street is definitely it's not what you need to study. After blessing, see you, now you be my second mom for this social media. My love for you. Oh, thank you so much, my darling. You say Greece is not go work. Oh. Greece not work. Create an overconfident they worry you when it comes to presentation because you na pure chat boss. Really, my darling. That's why they are disturbing my Facebook. You know, see as in they fight my Facebook. They are fighting it so bad. If I tell you how they fight me on social media, fight this my Facebook, you not go even believe me. Not be only one person face me. Now machine they carry face me to make sure that I will not be coming out online. To make sure that I will not be online. Believe you me, my darling people. And make una continue to pray, darling Rototarians. The God we fed to destroy our enemies right from day one. He no dey sleep. Never. Yes, including you where they look me so. He said Greek hard pass Arabic. Yes, I don't know. But for me, Greek was very simple. Maybe because I stay with Greek family. Because I can't imagine my sister. My sister, we just come Europe yesterday. We married German. If my sister speak German for where you you'll be like, hello. Oh, she speak German past me. If she speak German, you say, hello, cha, 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 slow down, slow down. She did shop because she married German. She did with German man for his house. Oh, guys, she eat am. She dey eat German. Oh, Zoe correctly. Because her husband and be all those, you know, say, oh, you both get different types. There are white people who went to school, and there are white illiterates. That's what you need to know. White people, they will not go to school. They only reach a level where they call small level of this, the one we go take let them take entire work, the one that is mandatory for the country. Because you get level where government will say it's mandatory for children to get to. If your children don't reach that level, it's not possible. It's a mandatory place. So that level, some of them, they reach their finish, they'll be like, you know, some of them want to go into handiwork. Some of them want to further. Some of them don't want to further. They just want to go and do training. Maybe 1 or 2 things to take further their life. They want to be any fast. The ones we hand the touch. I even thank God say, Rodo.com. It will help me, my darling people. I'll just sit and follow and just more. You understand? So, that is how it is. Greek hard, but you know hard me. Maybe because I was living with Greek family. Because the kind of enjoyment with me, that language enjoyment of quickly understanding Greek is what is favoring my sister now. You understand? Because if I see my sister, I'll be telling her to say, continue doing what you are doing. The time you are going to enter into training very soon. You understand? My sister is a teacher. Professionally wise. Not teacher, and she be. She be no one can they do training. Maybe she they go school again. She don't go school for Nigeria. Now let me not go higher institution for Nigeria. But all my brothers and sisters, all of them go. You understand? They all did. Me, I was all, not only I did college, I did all those other, you know, supplementary exam and everything. I finished my secondary, I passed nicely, Okwewebo and everything. Thank you, my darling. Then, my sister, what she just need to do is an recognition. Because the person that brought their marriage documents, you know, say when they will go do all this thing in Nigeria to, if they want to do marriage, they will go and be, they will go and be working in Nigeria to make sure that information, whether you are married before or not, they go to look for and they go. They also look for information in Nigeria. Go reach the school where she go. Here, everything. So the lawyer who did it for her in Benin just told her to say, collect your certificate. Your certificate is beautiful. She not collect her. Now I'm certificate now. She only have results and all these things to say she passed and everything is okay before she come abroad. Collect your certificate and come and do what they call Anekeno in Germany. Do your recognition. Now she's speaking German very nice. Do your recognition and enter school. If to say now I see her, all these professional trainers and everything, just do your recognition. No need to go school again. They can tell you to go to refreshing course because it's the same thing that you did in Nigeria. Oh, Mama Fab Robosa, thank you so much. You know, God bless you. I am very happy. I passed my intermediate exam. The truth of the matter is that everything for this life is dedication. I dedicated myself to studies. If God don't use past favor me, he will be cheating me because I didn't, for the past 2 years, if I am doing myself as my own self-assessment, I would do one like, even with children wahala, children problem, the time my husband go day evening like this, the way they day evening, today boy, quick came to come today. Only me. At a time, I don't even fit to show my face for live video again. I have to do this, I have to do this. My table is full. I know this school now. I'm on placement on pediatry. You know? That is how it is. My darling people, I am into nursing. Yeah? Yes, verification. They have to verify. That's what they call Anekeno in Germany. That papers and documents where you take go school for Africa. Bring all of the country. Although the process still did tight somehow. This German, now only Indian people that recognition for Indian people is very easy. Anything we concern Nigeria is not easy at all. I don't know why they have it like that. Vivian Osas, my darling, Queen Rita Squad. Thank you all so much. God bless you for the. Hey, thank you, Mama. At the beginning, I be one day discourage you. Some people will say you are too old. Now you want to use white take go school. Don't ever get discouraged in this life. Don't ever allow the words of people to qualify you. Don't ever bring yourself. That's one thing where I tell they go for my life. Nobody can ever. It's only when I write myself off to say this thing I cannot do it. That is when it will happen like that. If to say a human being, they talk to say this one you will never do it. When I already have it in my mind and I make the plan, I lay my bricks the way I take one time. No human being can be able to. No human being in this life except me and God. Because it's God that will give you good head to do whatever you want to do. It's God that will give you sane mind to do whatever that you do. It's God that will join you, support you to do whatever that you are going to do. He say, inside all that, you stand with blessing. See, inside all that, I stand with blessing. See you. Don't be lie, my darling people. I give God all the glory. We were before us with a year out for school because of language. But at the end of the day, you will see that we are even one of the most focused. You know, see what the person don't already get already. Like the Germans who have their Germans, they'll be like they have their language. But the research that you will do as a foreigner to make sure that you are able to pass your exam will be second to none. Because you will be afraid. Fear will be pushing you. Now fear go they push you. What go they push you, they go. Now fear. Thank you so much. Help me to like and love and share the video. Fear will be pushing you so that I beg, I want to, because if you enter, it's like, it be like studying it abroad. It just be like it be like Europe as a newcomer. You know, when you enter Europe, you just say, let me just go. Before you know it, they happen, go carry your 2 legs, you begin to carry you, they go. That is how it is. That's the only way I can explain it. Frustration day. Bitterness day. In short, enjoyment no day, but the frustration is very big. But I give God all the glory, my darling people, because me, myself, with 3 children. With 3 children. That was one of my things today. Do you know that when I was doing my reflection today, before they give you your result, you'll be asked to reflect. Let me bring out the 4 points I'm supposed to talk about. The 4 points that I'm supposed to talk about, that every one of us, each one, everybody, that's one thing I love about German. Nobody, your performance will not be discussed in front of another person. We all had our appointment. Some go in the morning, some go 9:30. You know, 20 minutes different for each person. Some go, me, I enter 12:30. Another person enter 12:50, which is 20 minutes difference from both of us. Another one, we enter 1 something. Now, so everybody will finish the OD differently. You know. So that one was, let me read out the 4 points of reflection that we were supposed to talk about, you know. So discuss your performance for the past 2 years that you have been in these studies. Your own personal performance by yourself. Reflect over them. Talk about them. You know, I talked about my performance since my first year was very, very good. The heavy fear that I carried in my first year was terrible. It was terribly terrible. I carried big fear. I went deep. There was a time I was doing lectures about what I would be doing in school. Mama Brown will also be telling me to say, you are going too deep, deep, deep. So after my operation, my performance reduced. When I know say I do operation. I did the operation. Operation when I go remove fibroid. After I did that operation, a lot of complications follow. Because normally, for abroad, especially for this Germany, many people, they use this operation till they get opportunity till they stay house for even 1 year. Oh, Mama Favor, how are you? Good afternoon from US. How are you doing? Yes. Ask. As long as you are a working person, for good 1 year, you stay home, and the government will be paying everything that has to do with you. The government will be paying, they call it your Krankenkasse will be paying you. Where that noise they come from, safe? Krankenkasse will be paying you, they call it the sick leave where you go there. I don't know how to say it in English, you know. They will be paying you sick insurance. Your health insurance will be paying you everything. You stay home. But in my case, Dalia, I know more people. If to say I don't finish school, I'm now working, I was going to stay home because I did operation June 20, last year, June 24. June 24 last year. Never even reached 1 year, which is now March with this. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. He don't they go 9 months, but he never reached a year. But you know that since then, can reach now. In this Germany, if you really understand the system of Germany very well, a lot of people do it. Because I saw the paper, health insurance brought it for me. After, because me, I only take 1 month leave. And that 1 month leave, 2 weeks was my general school holiday inside. Why 2 weeks was the holiday I added to my, was now sick leave. So my normal sick leave and 2 weeks that I added, meaning now 2 weeks, now I can't take sick leave like that. After when I do that fibroid operation, when I do. And for this country, now the benefit of workers now be that as I do the operation, one the opportunity near why I will win, it will pay me for free. It's not even free because you have worked for it. You sit down at home while you'll be receiving your sick leave and be enjoying your peace to relax so that your body will regenerate. Do you know that in my situation, I don't rest, my darling people. After the operation, I run come on because I don't want face waiting that they call face sighting. I saw so. Whatever I don't know in English, my darling people, I will translate into German. Whatever I don't know in English, I'll translate them from German. We'll call it face sighting here. Who know the name in English again, my darling people? German is terrible. It is spoil person in English. Face sighting, that is our absentees from school. So absentees, what they give for school for Germany, sick leave not they help you absentee when you are studying. This one is not Dutch course. You are not studying Dutch. You are studying in school. So going to meet a doctor to say, doctor, I know where I am sick. Yes, you said so. Because even your children, when our children wait this school for this Germany, as long as they don't start from primary 1, you can't just tell them to stay at home to say they are not going to school today. You must go to the doctor for a doctor to write a sick leave or to prove it to the school, the reason why they are not in school. From primary 1 in this country, now so it be. Good evening, Mama Sharon, my love. Oh, good evening. I buy you something today. I buy all of you something. You must prove it to say, you know, if you just wake up, say, I'm my picking. Carry over. God bless you. Face sighting. Exactly, Mama Fab. Carry over. Also did. Where that carry over for con de con. Now, God forbid, say person fail final exam. They might ask you to carry over for the next 6 months. It's not my portion. It's not the portion of anyone that I know that is studying, my darling people, because those things are very demoralizing. Heavily demoralizing. Even me, midterm exam, it demoralized me. Not to talk of that one. So the reason why anybody with the study, whatever it is that is going to distract you, you put it aside and face your studies. Because this one is your lifetime wherever. It's an asset, a very big asset. So don't be waiting person to the play. First of all, put it aside and look at the method of studying that will help you. It get to a time, my darling people, especially when I was facing the frustration of after a complication of this thing when I go do. Any operation that you do, there is a side effect. My own side effect of the fibroid when I go do now, when cold day, sometimes I'll be feeling pain. And that pain will make it very unagene, very uncomfortable for me to say I want to be sitting down and reading. Because I don't allow myself to heal. School don't allow me to heal correctly. Before I went back into running around, going to school, dressing up, go stress myself. I wasn't supposed to do that. 3 good months, see why you are bed rest. You understand? But school don't let me. I was afraid of absentee, and that absentee sick leave not the whole land. You understand? But if to say now like this one, we may do say operation so or whatever, maybe the time they will do calculation to do, we call it solar sum when they are doing solar sum for the final exam, like